Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. TECHFOX here, and today I'll show you how to install Python on Windows. If this helps, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to python.org. On the home page, you will see an option, Downloads. If you hover over this, you will see another option here with the version of the Python. Normally you have to click on that. After then, it will start to download. Here you can see that I have already downloaded the file. Once it's done, open the installer file right now. Now, here's an important step. Make sure to check Add Python to Path. This will allow you to run Python from the command prompt easily. You can check this also. After then, click on Install Now. It will take the permission from you. Normally press on Yes. And here you can see that the installation process is running on. And here you can see that our installation process is successful. Now we are gonna check if it was installed or not. So normally we have to go to the Start menu and search for CMD and run as administrator. And here we have to type Python version. Python version. And normally we have to press enter. And here you can see that a version of the Python. That means we have successfully installed Python. So if this was helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips from Mr. TECHFOX. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.